We'll guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi grayed out on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be an annoying problem when the iPhone Wi-Fi is grayed out. For example, let's say you open the control center, you may find it's grayed out here and you can't go and turn it on, or alternatively, it can also be in the settings as well. So if you're in Wi-Fi, you may find that it's grayed out and you can't go and turn it on here. This is really annoying because then you can't go and access the internet, and of course you can't do a lot of things on your iPhone then, like browse the internet, download apps and loads of other things. So we've got some different fixes you can try to hopefully go and resolve this problem. Make sure it's just full video so you can go and learn them. So to get started, you want to go and drag down in the top right to open the control center again. What you want to try doing is enabling airplane mode, like so. Do that. When you do that, that disables all connections, as you can see. And then what you can do is go and wait a few seconds and try turning it back off, and then go and see if you can then go and use the Wi-Fi. Hopefully it's now working again and you can go and use it and it's not grayed out. If it's still grayed out, what we can try doing is performing a forced restart. This will go and fully restart the phone and hopefully go and refresh everything, solving the problem. To do that, it's a button combination. So we're going to go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side power buttons. Let's do that now. Volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side power button. You can go and see it says slide to power off. Just keep it held down. Very shortly, the phone screen is going to go black, but you still keep it held down. You'll see it's now gone black, but keep it held down. We're only going to go and release it when you go and see the Apple icon. So at that point, I now can, and now it's starting again. So be patient when it goes and starts. You can see it's now started again. Let me just go and unlock it. Here we are. Now what you can do is go and drag down to open the control center, go and see if it's now back on and if it will go and turn on. And of course you can go and check it in your settings as well, come to Wi-Fi and go and see if it's now not grayed out. Hopefully it's now fixed, but if you find that it still isn't, the next thing you want to try doing is coming down your iPhone settings. You need to go and find the option for general just here and tap on it. Next, you want to go and scroll down and find the option for transfer or reset iPhone. Go down and you can press reset. And what you can then do is go and press reset network settings. Don't bother about deleting everything. This is just going to be on network settings. So when you go and do this, this will go and forget all your Wi-Fi networks. So you will need to go and rejoin them, but it will go and reset everything. So go and do that. And it's worth doing it because hopefully when that goes in complete, it won't take long at all. The Wi-Fi option will then be available again and you'll be able to go and use it. And also in the control center as well, you'll then be able to go and turn it back on and it's no longer grayed out. If you find that it's still not working, then it's worth getting in contact with Apple because they may be able to go and resolve it, as it could be a different problem than what we've tried to fix in this video. But hopefully it's managed to fix and you're now able to access the internet again. Internet activity is so important in order to go and fully use your iPhone now. But that's it. I look forward to help you again in the next how-to. We create how-tos every single day and we've got loads. So go and check more out on the channel and subscribe for more and leave a like if you found this useful and it solved your problem as well. Have a great day. I look forward to helping you again in the future. Goodbye for now.